Hi there, welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this video I'm going to teach you how to play Yesterday by the Beatles. There are only going to be 3 different sections that we're going to look at today and learn that will make up the entire song. So please go see the description where I've left the full chord song lyric structure so you can sort of follow it along and piece it together with the lyrics. So the key of this one is in F major. So on the screen now are all the notes of the scale of F major. The melody line and the chords are formed using these notes. So we're just going to be looking at the piano chords today, so not the melody line, so the accompaniment, so you could sing as you're playing if you wanted to. So the 3 sections we're going to look at is the verses, the chorus, and then the outro at the end. And the verses and the choruses are all played in the same way. The verses is fairly lengthy, so I'm going to break it up into 2 parts. So the first chord is an F major, and I'm going to play it in this inversion, which is first inversion. So there's like a little intro bit, which is just playing this chord. So it's going in the left hand, you'll be playing F. So it's going 1, 2, 3, 4. And then yesterday, etc. So it comes in like that. So we have F major for 4 beats. So I'm just going to hold the chords down for now. And then we have an E minor 7th. So in the right hand, we're just going to play effectively a G major chord. Because with the left hand, when you play the E with it, that will form the full E minor 7 chord. But to make this easier, so we're not playing 4 notes in one hand. So we have G, B and D for 2 beats. And then we have A7. So again, you can take the A off because you're going to be playing it in the left hand anyway. So we have C sharp, E, G. And then we have D minor for 4 beats. So I'm just going to do what we've done so far. So just going straight into the verse. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to come to a B flat major, which is B flat, D and F for 2 beats. And then we have a C7, but we're going to add the 7th note, which is a B flat there instead of there. I think people generally struggle with that chord more. So you could play it up there if you wanted to, or you could play it, add it into there instead. So it's a C major 2nd inversion chord with a B flat in there. And then we're going back to the B flat major. And then we have this quick succession of chords. So we have F major, C major, which is G, C and E. So there I'm just pivoting on the C. I'm moving the outer notes down. And then we have D minor again. And then we have a G7, which is G, B, D and F. Or you could just play B, D and F because you're going to be playing G's in the bass anyway. And then we're back to B flat major and then F major. So now I'm going to play through the verse, so just holding down the chords first. So the left hand is mostly just following the root notes. So we have F, So I'm going to slowly put that hands together for you. Again, just sustaining, just holding down the chords to begin with. And then I'm going to play it more rhythmically. Repeats. So next section we're going to look at is the chorus. So it starts with the E minor 7, which we've already looked at, and then the A7, which we already know, and then the D minor over C, and then B flat major, and then we have a G minor. So a G minor is a G, B flat, and a D, and then it's C and F. So I'm going to slowly play the chorus for you, and obviously the chord progression is on the screen now. Then that repeats. Or you could play it similar to how we've played the verse, minus the first two chords, which are sustained. And then after you've played that F, it'll be straight into the verse again. Yesterday. So the outro then, so after you played the very last chorus, so all these chords are for 2 beats each. All the chords we've already done. So it's D minor, G7, B flat major, F major. So that concludes the tutorial. I hope it's been useful and that you have enjoyed it. Please give it a big thumbs up if you have. If you're new here, please consider subscribing to Bitesize Piano for many, many more piano tutorials like this one. Go check out my channel. If you can't find what you're looking for there, follow the link that I've posted in the comment section below, which takes you to my official piano request space. All requests are noted and considered, so hit the notifications bell to this channel because your requests could be coming soon. So I hope to see you in future videos. Bye bye!